Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by defining the goal and why it matters: audience, tone, and a target length. Once defined, give the AI a short brief with 3 examples or key lines so it understands style and constraints. Next, pick a model and tweak settings like temperature to balance creativity versus precision. Make sure to select an output format you will edit. Then, write a clear starting prompt and request a first draft. Do it now, don't overplan. Get text to iterate from. You now guide the AI through structured steps. Break tasks into prompts that request analysis, then drafting, then editing. Explain how and why. Ask for a section-by-section approach, headings, and transitions so output reads logically. Once done, iterate, request summaries, tone shifts, or shorter paragraphs. Make sure to point out specific lines to change. Use targeted prompts for facts, citations, or examples, and combine AI edits with your judgment. You complete the piece by proofreading and fact-checking. Check names, numbers, and claims, and make sure tone matches the audience. Then export in the needed format like HTML or docx and create concise meta descriptions or summaries. If issues appear, try stricter constraints, lower temperature, or bigger examples for clarity. Make sure to ask for precise edits. A key troubleshooting tip: when content is wrong, isolate the claim. Ask the model to cite its reasoning, then correct with verified sources and rerun the prompt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.